Welcome to the tutorial for the application for the web filter wizard. This application will help you to write a proper filter expression in XML to retrieve data from web filter service. If you're here, you already know that you can retrieve data from a web filter service, but for that you need a specific type of request, and the query must be right on a filter expression that is defined by OGC, and it's not that easy to do that. So this application will help you by using some simple steps to build that expression, and then you can use it whatever you want in your own application, in different requests. It will be available for you. So the first thing that you will be able to take a look when you open the web application, it's a input box for the URL to request the operation called get capabilities. I already have here some web filter service, this one specifically from PDOK. I've been working in one from land information in New Zealand, and when you click the submit button, the application will connect to the service and request the get capabilities operation, and the service will return an XML document that the application is able to read, and there you can take a look all the layers that the service have. But most important, it's that with request you are able to know the capabilities of the service, what are the operation able to perform, the version, and all the metadata. Okay, but let's work with one that I know the location, and I know the one operation that I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this one, as I told you, from the Netherlands. So it will return with the get capability request the layers available. In this case, there's only one layer called AAN, and when we click the submit button, it will perform another operation called describe feature type that will send to the server, and it's able to request with this operation, and the service will return all the information within the layer, the attribute, and some metadata from the layer. So in this case, when I click the submit button, the application, while it's requesting to the service, is show two main things. The first one is 4 buttons for predefined queries that you can click on it, and it will build automatically the structure that it's shown on the bottom. And another one, that is to create your own operation. So for that, you are able to create as many operations as you want for your query, and also to remove operation and group of operations that you can create and remove. The case, for example, as I told you, if you already know the query that you want to perform, you just click on the buttons that give you the structures predefined, and you will return the structure. You just need to fill with the available attributes that the layer have. So let's do one operation so we can return a proper filter expression that we can use in another application. Though, as I told you, those are the attributes available within the layer within the service. And I know that this attribute is about the version, and I know that there's a year here. So I just want to request those layers where the attribute from the version is from 2013. So when I know what I want to ask, I click the submit button, and there's operation going on, so the screen is freeze or is locked, so you're not able to continue clicking while the operation is going on. And when the operation is done, the filter encoding expression is created. And in the same way, you will find that the get request is showing for you if you want to use it in as a URL in a different place. And you can also see the result of this operation just to find out if your request, your operation was performed properly, and if it's that the thing that you want to. So here we have only the polygons with the attribute versibron with a 2013. Okay, so those are the polygons from the Agrarich service that was taken maybe on the 2013. If we want to, okay, that's the thing that I need to, but I will say I need a specific area, and I want to constrain the request to some specific area. So for that, I will use the bbox operator, special operator, and I will need to input here the coordinates from that bbox. I already have here a few ones just for the sake of this demonstration, and I will use it here, the lower coordinate from that area. It's an area in Enschede, in the north part of Enschede, in Lonneker. So I will constrain the query to that area. So now I have two things that the query is going to take care. And take a look. If I don't click here any of those operators, I will get an error. So, oops, something is missing. So I need to check here what's going on. Okay, I need to click somewhere. And so I will request those attribute with this condition, and also that satisfy the other condition. So once I submit, the filter encoding get request is built, and the filter expression is also built in the window that give me the filter encoding expression. And as a help thing for the user, just to take a look the area where is on visualization for the query that you are performing. So it's working properly. It's taking all the polygons that are within the B box, the bounding box, with those coordinates, and also has the attribute name with this value. You can create as many as you want. This just need for you to know what do you want to request, and the application will automatically create the filter encoding expression. If you want to take a look in the XML document, you can copy paste or click the button link to results, and you will take a look the XML document returned by the both filter expression, the query with the filter expression with both constraint. Here, as we can see, the attribute Percy-Brown only have 2013. Let's find another one, 2013, 2013, and there's only related to or belongs to the specific area. I hope that short tutorial will help you. Just need to say that you have all the properties, the operator that are here in the available operator are taken from the get capability request that, as I said in the beginning, will request the metadata, the layers available, and also the operator that this service it's able to perform. So all those operators are actually able to be performed in this service. And in the same way, if you click here any operator, it will open the box for put the value. In this case, for example, properties between, it will open two boxes. If you click on spatial operator, it will give you the chance to input the geometry, in this case within the distance in meter and so in meters, and it will create the filter expression for you. I hope that this is a good tutorial for you and to find out what the application is able to and how to do it.